If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here to recap this trade from tonight's bonus trading session here. We ended up going into overtime from our regular session because there was just no good entry opportunities for our normal trading sessions tonight. I will do this from time to time. If we are having a slow week or maybe a down week, I will look for bonus opportunities to implement for the group. So tonight was one of those occasions where I saw a perfect storm trading scenario for us to enter on, and I'll just go ahead and cover that with you guys here. So it was a sell position on the USD JPY pair here for the 2-hour contract. It was for the last hour of the 8 to 10 p.m. contracts. So we entered here. By the way, I used the 5-minute candles for the 1-hour and 2-hour trades that I enter on. Like I said, this was for the final hour of the 2-hour contracts. That is typically what we trade in the shadow trading program. So you can see leading into our entry here, we are actually seeing a bullish trend, but you can see a lot of long wick activity to the upside, showing a bit of resistance heading into this known resistance and support zone from the recent history. When spotting for a support and resistance area, it is typically best to use the most recent area which you see a lot of price action in, and that is what I have highlighted here. You can see 3 different areas where it acted as a support and a resistance in the short term, and also on the higher time frames it did as well. So our strike entry was in that support and resistance range and was near the upper Bollinger Band, which you can kind of see there. I didn't kind of get the entire Bollinger Band indicator in shot here when I took the screenshot, but it is just there under where I have that writing. You can see the blue line there. That is the upper band, and our entry candle there is just underneath the left side of that little speech bubble there. So I actually forgot to put the arrow there, so my apologies there, but it's right there near that paragraph to the left. So it was near the upper Bollinger Band at the time of entry. That also helped to make it for a great area of confluence when paired with the weakening bullish trend, which I will go ahead and cover now. If you look down to the left here, you can see leading into our entry candle, which is just under that paragraph there, we see an overall upward trend, but as stated before, there was long wick activity to the upside of all of those candles leading into our entry. As well, you can see that the bullish volume is actually dropping off on average. The higher the trend goes, the weaker the volume gets, which tells me, and should tell you as well, that the traders backing these moves are not very confident, and there's actually more traders backing out of these moves, making for a weaker move overall. So the average bullish volume is decreasing, although the trend continues upwards. This can be indicative of a weakening trend with added confirmation. The added confirmation that I speak of came in the form of that price action area, the support and resistance zone there that we neared at the entry of that hour, and also with the upper Bollinger Band being right there in that zone as well, made for a fantastic area of confluence. And that is what I talk about with finding these perfect storm trading scenarios, guys. Whenever you stack multiple indicators, multiple areas of price action, and put it all together in combination, that is when you start to see trading for what it really should be. Multiple things line up in different ways and make for these great opportunities. You can learn more about that with the Informed Traders educational package and utilize that on any time frame you wish. Additionally, I offer the shadow trading program, which you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But as stated, this here was a bonus opportunity. It came just after our final hour, so this trade took place from 9 to 10 on those 8 to 10 p.m. contracts. So then you can see there at the end, here is where our trade expired. It absolutely held amazing under our in the money contract. A fantastic full profit overall for this trade, adding to another great win for this week of shadow trading. Absolutely on a great roll this week, getting ready to start off the month of February fantastically, and a great conclusion to the month of January here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to give you a short recap of our bonus trade and let you know that the bonus trading is still going on. I will implement this from time to time whenever I see fit, especially on those slower weeks or on a down week as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be sure to stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start taking these trades together.